Hi, in this video I will cover Ethereum and its bullish and bearish options, and I will see which is more likely to happen first, bullish or bearish option. We will first jump to a weekly time frame chart so that we can analyze what happened from 2015 till now. Then we will jump to the shorter time frame and recent price action so that we can know what will actually happen first, bullish or bearish option. But before we go next, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you want to get these updates soon as possible because price doesn't wait. So let's jump to the charts. We can first see a weekly chart when every candle is 1 week. I already labeled the waves so that we don't waste time on the larger time frame. We can see here a larger 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 still unfolding. In that fifth wave we can see subwaves larger 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 still unfolding. In this fifth wave that is still unfolding, we are now in that kind of bull market. We can see subwaves of 1, 2, 3 that are finished. Now maybe 4 is finished and 5 yet to come. We will first place a Fibonacci retracement tool from the bigger wave 2 of bigger wave 5 so that we can see and push it to the third wave so that we can see if the bigger fourth wave hit our ideal target. It hit our ideal target of 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. And now we will zoom in into the charts so that we can see the last few years and few months develop. We will first place a trend channel from the beginning of wave 1, connecting wave 2, and to wave 4 we can see that we have 4 touch points and move the trend channel to the top of wave 1. Right now we want to see where wave 4, if this is a wave 4, did it hit our ideal target of 0.382. We place a Fibonacci level from wave 2 to wave 3 and we see that it broke through 0.382 Fibonacci level and hit 0.5 Fibonacci level. In Elliott wave theory that's okay because the ideal level is 382, but it can go to 0.5 Fibonacci level. It's deep for a wave 4, but it can go there. But where I have a problem with this chart is the way how wave 4 came to that 0.5 Fibonacci level. This recent price action here in the last week was a knife drop. It was a sudden and fast and strong drop in price. Most often wave 4 doesn't look like that, but we can see that from wave 3 to wave 4 it was a 3-wave move to the downside. Here A, here B and here C. I think this C wave isn't finished and that it needs one more leg down to be finished. Why? Because I think this will be a 5-wave move. From here 1, 2, 3, now is 4 to the upside and 5 to the downside. I will remove this for clarity, and that's why I think one more drop is possible. Now, all of this move to the upside from the low of 2022 I see as an ending diagonal. In Elliott wave theory, ending diagonal is formed with 5 waves in a direction of the trend, but each of those waves is a 3-wave move. Let's jump to the chart and I will explain. I can see here 1, 2, 3 as an ABC in wave 1. I can see here 1, 2, 3 to wave 2, and I can see a bigger 1, 2, 3 or ABC to wave 3. Then in this wave 4 I can see as well ABC, ABC to wave 4, and the last leg up, wave 5, should be a 3-wave move, A, B, C to the upside. That's why I consider this as an ending diagonal, because of the 3-wave moves to the upside in subwaves. This means when this forms, most often it suggests a rapid turn around for the price. When we finish, if we finish the wave 5 to the upside around $5,000, it will probably turn around fastly and drop like a knife. So the risk at the 5th wave is extreme, because this price movement most often suggests rapid turnaround. But that's the only bullish option that I see. So if the price continues upwards, it will be in 3 waves. That's the only option, and it can barely reach $5,000. Why barely? Because when we take the dimensions of wave 1, that is the most common target for wave 5, is the 1-to-1 ratio of wave 1, and move it to the low of wave 4, we can see here that it's around $4,800. That's a 130% a pump. I don't know if it's worth the risk, because the reward is low. But the risk of a downside is major. Why? If this isn't the bullish option and we're turning around in 3 waves, that means that this is a high B wave. What does that mean? That wave bigger 4, this wave, isn't finished, and that it will be finished later on. Why? Because these 3 waves become A, B, C. A, B, and C. And what I expect right now is a 3-wave sequence to the downside, A, B, C. A, up B, and down C. And that C level can go to 2 different targets. Now we will measure them. First target is if this is a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. If that's a triangle, then C level is most often measured from the top to the bottom, and to the top of wave 3 we have 0.618 to 0.786, between $1,100 and roughly $1,500. That's the first target if it's a triangle. But if it's not a triangle, and if it's a ordinary wave 4 that comes beneath wave A, the common target is 1-to-1 ratio. We will just place 1-to-1 ratio. It means that it will roughly hit $800 at least, maybe even 1.38. That is located at roughly $420. That would be a significant drop. So the downside is major compared to the upside potential. The only thing bullish that I can see here that signalizes that price will likely go up is that there will be a retracement in wave B to the upside if it goes down to the C wave, or number 2 if it goes down to the C wave in 5 waves moves, or if it goes upwards directly to wave 5. But the risk to reward isn't good enough for me to invest in these prices. But I am considering investing in 2 different areas. First area is between $1,100 and $1,400. Why? Because I consider it as major support area. I will place a box here. I will first buy here if price retraces to that level. After that, if price continues to drop, I will buy at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement of the larger wave 3. It's in the middle of the box of an ideal target of 1:1 ratio to wave C and 1.38 Fibonacci level, around $600. That's my other target to buy, to invest in. I consider that as a good investment. From a point of trade, I will zoom in and I will place an RSI indicator on the chart. And now we can see that the RSI has cooled down, that the price has cooled down and that the RSI isn't oversold anymore. What would I need to see to make a trade in Ethereum to the upside? For example, for hitting wave B or wave 2 to the upside before continuing downwards, I want to see one more test of the trend line, so the price needs to drop. I want to see a lower low of the price and a higher low of the RSI. That's a bullish divergence. RSI is making higher lows and the price is making lower lows. That makes bullish divergence. And I would like, because I think it's an ending diagonal, I would like it to hit the area of the first wave. In Elliott wave theory, only in ending diagonals can wave 4 enter the price range of wave 1. That's from a trading point of view. From an investing point of view, I'm waiting for more lower prices. First target is around 1,100, 1,200, and then I will buy Ethereum for the long term. In the end, I think that these prices aren't good enough to be investing or to even get into a trade, because there's more risk than reward possible. Right now, I would suggest everybody to stay away from trading or speculating in which cryptocurrency to enter, because more and more that I look at the charts of cryptocurrencies, I'm becoming more and more bearish and turning around to a view that we are entering a bear market. Not only a bear market, but that the whole push to the upside, this bull market, that was a retracement to higher wave B, because a lot of cryptocurrencies made 3 waves to the upside and it looks like a wave B. I think we are not in a good position. I think you should save your bankroll, not involve with many risks right now, and to be careful what you invest in and at what prices. I am buying when there are red days, especially an extreme red days, because that's how it works and that's how it needs to work. There is a phrase that is most popular: buy low, sell high. When you buy low, those are red days, and when you sell high, those are green days. So don't chase green candles. Wait for your targets to be hit before entering the market. That's the safest way. Protect your bankroll and make good money management and risk management trades or systems. In conclusion, I'm waiting for lower prices for Ethereum. There is possible upside, but with a small percentage of gains. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.